professional help, かなり驚いてます。
So, well, just kill this photo.
Okay.
It's a bad like, oh my god.
What did you do?
I just okay. And the winner this year of the Amiga Sports Tournament is our friend from Hungary, Hopes. Hope it doesn't break. Yep. So this is special autograph from John here, and we got that. Okay, so this year we have some posters to give to the players that are still here so late. So any one of you is welcome to come here and get a poster. I hope we will have enough for those of you who don't have one. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. So I believe this is everything for this year's Sensi.
No, not. I just had we was say, and I'm really happy about the decision to make the tournament this year in Bulgaria and Ghana. The organization committee has done a great job. It was really perfect. Yes, it was the right time, like 4 o'clock. And yes, it was a nice atmosphere, and you have done everything, and like a real admin. Yes, and I'm happy about this
And
7 days.
I'm happy that you just didn't notice the flaws maybe of the tournament.
The floors?
Maybe I only see it. I'm the only one.
I'm just in the sky. Not floors.
Okay, so
Let's drink some beer and
They can pictures of the winners. So.
yes,
Yeah,
maybe some
winners,
pictures of the
photos.
winners, and those of you who are hungry, breakfast starts in a couple of hours.
Okay.
On.
Can I picture?